Well, here's a familiar sight. The railroad tracks. We are in McDade, Texas. There's a memorial for Captain Jesse Billingsley. There's not much to McDade. It's a very small town. It's one of those towns you just drive past without even noticing. But they got a little old town, so let's check it out. This was incorporated in 1873. And here we are on Old Highway 20 and Waco Street. This building right here was a saloon, stagecoach stand, post office, and a scene of a revenge gunfight. Well, built in 1874. Not sure what these buildings are used for. I think they're all empty. And here is the antique store, which appears to be in the old depot. So the train depot exists. Has all the hallmarks of being a depot with the architecture. It's McDade Antiques and Marketplace. And we have this building right here, which is a private residence. All right, this is McDade, Texas. If you're from McDade and I missed something, let me know in the comments. All right, thanks for coming along with me on this short stroll. And remember, you're all dearly loved. Now, if you go up this road for a few miles, going east, that'll take you to the Sherwood Forest Fairgrounds, which is a Renaissance festival, and it's really good. I'll see y'all in the next one.